So today we're at a shooting range in Waterfall and I'm actually quite nervous to be here today, but we'll see how it goes.
Alright, 100% guys.
We're vlogging today.
I'm gonna switch you guys with a few days.
So I got one of these. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Y'all better make sure come correct. I will show you. Don't play with me now.
Let's see the target.
I shot for the middle the whole time. Stay winning. Hi guys, what's up? I know it's been like 500 days since the last insert, but it's fine, okay? So I'm currently, where am I? We're in Krugersdorp. Guys, one thing about Krugersdorp is I am a minority. I am the minority. But we are getting pizza because we gotta feed the kids. But we'll see you guys later. Dead shop. Okay, bye. Good kids, guys, get you behind the camera. It's the way Aigle, elle est toujours compliquée, hein? Oyoki, Fali Nabiso, Fali to the world, hein? Yeah. Say hi to my vlog, Mama Ani. Oh my gosh. Hi, Mama Nika. Hi, Krista. Hi. This is my fifth shot. You got this, you got this. You got this. I don't think it's gonna be. Take like a 9.
No respect.
to be in the sun so you can see my eyes.
That's Jen's confidence, dog.